What's up, guys? Come on with me. We're going out to my favorite spot, the garage. And this intro is probably terrible, but whatever. My truck is randomly out here because I was cutting down some trees and I have to get the stumps ground. Okay, so today we took the Jeep to 4-wheel parts in Carlisle. And while we were there, I decided it was time to get some stuff for it. And one of the things we got is PRP 5.3 harnesses in red and a Poison Spider bombshell differential cover for the front Dana 30. That's it. So I wanted to make this video. Oh, also, I forgot about this. This morning, I took the tabs that were on my rear bumper here. Well, this is a rear frame cross member. This is an actual bumper. This is just a cross member. These are where you're supposed to have those hoops. And for some reason, mine had these interesting looking brackets. Not sure what they were for. So I got rid of them. And we're gonna touch that up a little bit. Then we're gonna buy a new rear bumper. Yep, I just don't know if I wanna get one with a tire carrier or what I wanna do with that, but we're gonna get one. So today, I'm gonna show you how to wrap harnesses around the harness bar. I do not have my factory seat belts removed to do the lap belts yet, but I at least want to get the shoulder harnesses in, and I figured now would be a good time to make a short video and show you how to wrap the harnesses to a bar. And it's real easy, real short, real sweet, to the point. And then we'll be done, and you guys don't got to suffer through like 8 minutes of me talking. So let's go ahead and get to work. All right, I am using 2 cameras today. So hopefully if the audio for some reason would get messed up, it'll pick up on the other camera, hopefully. So what we have is, as you can see, there were at one time mounting plates on here so you could bolt it in. And I just removed those, real easy. So what we want to do, we want to go through the hoop, come over the top of the bar, come under this, pull it through, and then go back down through here. Okay, and then looks like we need to probably bring this down a little bit. So let's just take that out for right now. Well, actually, that's not too bad. That would be about right. Okay, we'll go with it. You know, it's so easy, though, that the thing is you can always undo it and readjust. And it's not an exact science. You're not going to get it the first time, guaranteed. Pull that through. And now the issue I'm going to have here is I don't have enough material to come back through. So we do need to move our bracket up a little bit here somehow. Whoops, forgot. That one's not even in. This might help me keep them centered. All right, well, let's see what we can do here. Is there anything? There we go. Okay, now we got enough. So then you just take it back over the top and back down through, which sometimes is tricky. I'm going to pull a little slack up here. Okay, there it is. And then you just pull that tight. And there you have it. That is a wrapped shoulder harness around either a roll bar or a harness bar. I'll go ahead and do the other ones, and then we'll check right back in. All right, there you have it. How to wrap harnesses around a roll bar, or like I have the Rockhard 4x4 harness bar. Again, these are PRP 5.3, 3-inch belt with a latch system in red. The reason I wanted red, I thought it would make it pop a little bit against the blue and the black. I didn't want black. I think black is just too much because the seats are black and everything else is black in that area. So I just thought a little bit of color would be awesome. And with the right lighting, I think it would be pretty awesome. But the way the sun shines in my garage, I can't get good lighting from the front. Okay, real simple install. We're all done, short video, and hope you guys like that. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care, bye-bye.